going to be talking about repointing bricks and how to mix the mortar together. First off, you need the mortar, obviously, a bucket, and some tools. The tools I got was this set from Harbor Freight, which was about $15. You might also need kind of a bigger trowel to hold on to the mortar. But today we're mixing. This is pre-blended sanded mortar for bricks or masonry, and it's called type S, which I think just means strong because there's also a type N. This is for load-bearing walls rather than like a decorative brick planter that's not holding up a house. And it is also more water and moisture resistant, so you can do bricks below grade, which means bricks under the level of dirt where the ground might be meeting with rainwater and stuff. So it's just a little bit stronger, a little bit more moisture resistant. It cost $1 more. This 80-pound bag cost me about $8. It is definitely heavy, so I got somebody from the hardware store to help me move it. And then I distributed it into these buckets, which I can actually pick up, which are about a third full. This is my smaller mixing bucket. I have some water and a cup for water and a cup for the powder. Read the package instructions. This 80-pound bag is supposed to be mixed with 1.5 gallons of water if you're mixing the entire bag, which clearly we are not because I'm not rebricking an entire house. I'm making a small batch, which means 5 parts powder to 1 part water, which is not a lot of water, so go really slowly with your water. And you stir for about 5 minutes. It should be like really thick toothpaste or frosting. It's hard to describe the thickness, and it should hold on to your little trowel. If you pick some up, it shouldn't fall off. You can always add more powder. You can't take out water, so just be careful. Okay, here is my bucket, and we're gonna do a small batch. It's not as bad as like plastering where it sets up really fast, but a little goes a long way. That's 1 thing of powder. And let's do water. And I'm just going to stir with this. If you're doing a very large batch, you can use that a mixer or the screwdriver attachment that kind of stirs things. So right now that's too wet. Yeah, it's falling off. So that's why we're going to add more powder. And at first it might actually seem too thick, but you're also going to wait 2 minutes after you've stirred for 5 to let the water fully absorb into that powder, and you would be surprised. All right, I'm just going to keep stirring this for a while and then let it sit for 2 minutes and we'll come back.